back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Catherine. I'm a third year Year 3 teacher in the UK, and today is finally classroom setup. Okay, so despite waiting for this day for so long, I am extremely anxious. I mentioned in my last video that I am stressed. I'm still kind of stressed, feeling a bit better, but still kind of stressed. So I honestly don't know how much I'm going to record today, but I'll do as much as I can. I will give you guys overviews. It may be more time lapse than me speaking, which may be for the best, but we'll just try. Just to run through the game plan. So I'm not moving all my stuff in today because I have got stuff at school already. I'm going to sort out what's already at school and get display board sorted and then tables. And then tomorrow I'm going to hopefully get a white van man and just move in the rest of my stuff and then sort all that stuff out. And then the inset days, because I do still have time on those days, I'm just not counting them in my head. I can do like the little bits that I've not quite picked up and just get the rest of it sorted. So game plan today is mainly putting things away and organising and display boards. I'm a tiny bit stressed because last night I realised that I don't know if I've got backing paper. I planned to do it on green, like on all my little pictures and things, it's green, but that's going to be very dark. I did it green to match like the Newcastle theme of like tropical, but that'd be very dark. So I'm kind of hoping that I've got enough wallpaper at school. If not, I'm gonna have to go out and buy some wallpaper very quickly. Thank God it's payday. And then come back to school and do it, but we'll see. I've also realised I've got border. I very specifically wanted dark green border. So obviously I can't have dark green paper and dark green border, but I don't know if I've got dark green border, so if I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's all a bit of a This time last year, I literally had all my wallpaper like packed, ready to go to school because I knew I was using that. But this year, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, that's the plan. I'm gonna pack my bag, just make sure I've got all my essentials in the bag with me, and then I will be on my way. Let's go. I think this is the light switch. Yes, it is. Sob. I think I'm having a heart attack. Remember when I came to move my stuff in and I didn't know what to do? It's that, but for a whole day. Where do I start? Okay, there are people here. I don't know like how well sound travels, so I'm gonna be whispering. I'm sorry. I think I'm going to empty everything and start putting things away and start making piles of stuff. Because I don't know what else to do. I need to rip these two down and move things that I'm not keeping in here out of here. That's the plan. Oh God. Okay, I have, let's choose today's vlogging corner. This is the vlogging corner. I have gone to someone and asked for help because I was panicking. And that, people, is growth. She gave me staple gun and things I need because I don't have that. I've managed to get a new chair. And I'm gonna go buy wallpaper because I haven't got what I wanted. So I'm gonna just go buy my own. So I'm gonna go out, get the wallpaper, come back, then do the balls, clean them done. I'm stressing. I'm back. I got the wallpaper. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna put them up. I'm never gonna like talk, guys. I'm just putting them up, ripping those down, putting them up. I'll come back when they're done. I'm not gonna time lapse it because A, my phone's dying, B, I need to focus and see people are here now. My lovely partner teacher's here. But I'm gonna just go, like let's. go for the long one first and just do one massive strip. But I'm thinking that might not be wise. That might not be a good idea. I might have to cut it. You have to cut it. Oh. Is mostly done. There's no more black border in school like this one, so I can't properly finish them till that comes. But that one's done. I'm gonna try and do that corner because I can't like staple it in, and then I'm gonna rip these two down, and then I'll back everything. I want everything backed before I leave. It's going all right. It's just going 2 o'clock. I've got time. I can do this. Right. My solution for this corner is to use masking tape. You can hardly see. Okay. So to put masking tape on the borders and then hot glue the paper to that. I'm stressed. I had to pre-cut everything so it fits exactly. Because I'm stressed. It's going to be tricky, but it's doable. And then I can do the rest. But we'll see. Okay, the back's kind of done because I can't finish that till I get black border. I can't finish that till I get hot glue gun. I will go ask for one, but I haven't got one right now. So I'm gonna start on the front, ripping those down and then just backing everything. I can probably finish that display, just that display, because it has border. So that'll be done. And then everything else will be backed and have the green border, but I need the black border. So once I've done that, I'll just do the tables. Then I can leave. I've got to go to IKEA to get a lac table for that corner. So it's just gonna be a full-time lapse. So it's school display policy that everything on the wall is laminated. So we have like matte laminating sheets, so they're not shiny. And I refuse to believe these are laminated. I refuse to believe it because they're not shiny. Oh, madness. Okay, that board's done and I've gone around and put the measured out paper in front of all the displays. Ran out on just one bit for that reading corner, so I've got to open the new pack to do it, which I'll try not to do very well. But other than that, I'm going home. I'm tired. I wanted to go IKEA, but now I'm thinking maybe I don't go IKEA today. And apparently I have lost everything that was already laminated for this classroom. It's just, I don't know where it's gone, which is stressful. No, not stressful, annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna go.